Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Computer Discount, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rescue disk to get rid of those nasty viruses you might have. Now, some viruses you can get rid of with just regular antivirus software. Other are much worse and require tools to remove, such as the FBI virus and any kind of virus that may lock up your entire computer and render your keyboard and mouse useless as far as being able to do anything. The Kaspersky Rescue Disk is what we're going to be using today. If you follow the link up here at the top that I'm highlighting, you'll find the two pieces of software that you need to download. It's going to be right here. And one of them is the rescue disk, and the other one is the utility for creating the rescue disk to make it usable. So, click both links and it will download. For most users, it's going to go to your downloads folder. To find your downloads folder, basically, you just click on this little folder here down in the bottom left corner and go to downloads. And as you can see, there's the items. So, now that you've got the items downloaded, this is what you need to do. Run the rescue.exe and go ahead and hit install. All this does is create a folder here for the tool to be used. All the items get put into this folder so that way when you run it, it allows the program to do what it needs to. Now, here you have to browse to the area where you have your rescue disk stored. And in this case, it's the same location, downloads. So, go ahead and click on browse. To get your downloads folder from here, click on this PC. As you can see, the downloads folder is right there at the beginning. So go ahead and double click that. And there's your two downloaded items. The one you need to choose is the KAV Rescue. This is the image of the software that allows you to run the rescue disk. Now, mind you, you have to have a USB drive for this to work. So, plug in whatever USB drive you may want to use. At least use a 1 gig USB drive, seeing as this is a 300 megabyte file. So, right now I have one flash drive plugged in, and it's 7.5 gigs. As that's the only one in here that I have plugged in, I have no other options. So I'm going to go ahead and start that item. It's going to ask and tell you that you need to format it. So make sure this is a new USB or one that you don't care gets erased. It will format the entire USB drive and make it into the format that Kaspersky needs. And this will erase everything on the drive. So, after realizing that, go ahead and select yes. And now you're just going to let the tool record and create. Now while waiting for this, you can do anything else you might need to do. Now mind you, you probably have to do this from another computer because of the fact that if you need this program, it's probably because you can't use the computer as it is right now. And in order to, get that, you're going to have to use either someone else's computer, or if you come in and, bring your USB drive, I'd gladly burn this for you to a USB drive. That way you can take it back home and use it. We do sell USB drives if you don't have one. If you have the software, this is already done for you. It's already on the disk that you've purchased, and that will be explained in the next video on how to use the software. As you can see, it doesn't take extremely long, but it's not quick. But it's a very useful tool, and it allows you to use the USB drive as a CD almost. And in some cases, this works out better. It doesn't get damaged as easily. You don't, have problems with anything as far as having to change out CDs. You can just use this USB drive, take it with you wherever you might need to go. Use it on anyone's computer. And as you can see, it's finished. And that is how you create a USB drive. And now, as you can see, if you go back to this folder and go to your removable disk, it has the rescue file folders. And in the next video, I'll explain how to use this file here and allow you to get rid of those nasty viruses to allow you to use your computer again. Well, I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, you can always stop into any of our 5 locations. And I hope to see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.